The vast majority of engines that are used today use diesel fuel. Diesel is a dirty fuel. There are clean alternative methods that are out there, and that's where Dynasert is providing an alternative solution by cleaning up the emissions. In the case of Fortune 500 giant Pepsi, we retrofitted a fleet of over 200 transport trucks with our patented hydrogen technology. These hydrogen-injected trucks operated 2 shifts per day, 200,000 miles per year. Pepsi achieved an average of 15% fuel savings. That's huge. That's over 800,000 gallons saved, and based on today's prices, represents over $3.3 million saved in 1 year. So based on that success alone with Pepsi, we're now more confident than ever before that we're ready to take this technology to the next level. Consider a port. Nearly every aspect of the port involves a diesel application that could benefit from Dynasert's hydrogen technology. From the ship carriers, the generators powering the port, the cranes, the trucks, and with 99% of all containers being moved by rail, let's not forget the trains. We're talking about a multi-million-dollar savings in fuel costs alone and an enormous environmental impact. Another major opportunity is in the Caribbean islands. A typical diesel generator operating there 24/7 consumes over 1.6 million gallons of fuel per year. Our data shows that a single diesel generator retrofitted with our patented hydrogen injection technology can save more than 240,000 gallons per year and yield over $1 million in fuel savings. With hundreds of diesel generators powering these islands, the opportunity is enormous in scale, deployment, sales, and emissions reductions. Remote communities like Alaska use diesel generators almost exclusively for all their power needs. By having the opportunity to put Dynasert into over 30 cities, well over 100 diesel generators, the fuel consumption savings alone, as well as the environmental impact, is just tremendous.